Good morning students, and in this video we will be discussing the chapter Profit and Loss. Profit and Loss. And children, what does profit and loss mean? Profit means faida and loss means nuksan. And this is just the Hindi terms for the term for profit and loss. But if we talk about how do we calculate profit and how do we calculate loss, and from where this profit loss is coming. For example, children, suppose I have a pen and I bought it for 10 rupees. So the pen that I have bought it is for 10 rupees. So the cost price what does cost price means? The price at which I have bought the pen, or the article, the money I have used to buy this pen is 10 rupees, and I sold this pen for 15 rupees. So I sold this pen, so this price would be called selling price. The cost at which I have sold the pen is called selling price, children. So cost price is 10, selling price is 15. So the formula for profit is selling price minus cost price. So 15 minus 10 equals to 5. So 5 rupees is my profit, and profit is selling price minus cost price. But suppose, children, if I bought the pen for cost price of rupees 10 and if I sold it for 8 rupees, okay, I bought it for 10 rupees, I sold it for 8 rupees. Now this time I don't have profit, this time I am facing loss. So profit only happens when selling price is greater than cost price, and loss happens when cost price is greater than selling price. So here in this case, loss will be cost price minus selling price. Okay, so cost price is so I have a loss of 2 rupees. So profit is selling price minus cost price, and loss is cost price minus selling price. And these two formulas can also be written as selling price equals to profit plus cost price, and selling price equals to cost price minus loss. So what is profit and loss, children? Profit and loss are the two quantities which tells us कि if I bought a pen for 10 rupees and if I have sold it for 15 rupees, then I am having a profit of 5 rupees. But if I sold it for 8 rupees, then I am having a loss of 2 rupees. So selling price equals to cost price minus loss, or selling price equals to profit plus cost price. Profit is faida कितना फायदा हुआ है मुझको, एंड लॉस इज कितना नुकसान हुआ है मुझको. ओके चिल्ड्रन, सो एग्जाम्पल 1 you have a dealer purchased a washing machine of rupees 12,000. Okay. And sold it for 13,500. So cost price is this and selling price is 13,500. Huh? He paid 300 rupees as octroi and 250 rupees as transportation charges. So there were some more expenses. How much? 300 plus 250. This will be 550 rupees. Cost. So children, first we need to find the total cost price. So his total cost price will be cost price plus expenses. So 12,000 plus 550. So this will be 12,550 rupees. Okay. Now, as we can see here, selling price is greater than cost price. Huh? Selling price 13,500, cost price is na. So his profit will be, this time he is having profit, selling price minus cost price. So this will be 13,500 minus 12,550 equals to 950 rupees. This is your answer. Now, example 2 children. A garment showroom bought 40 trousers at the rate of 1200 per trouser and sold them for 46,800. Find a profit or loss. So a garment showroom bought 40 trousers and the rate of each trouser is rupees 1200. Okay, so 1200 rupees per trouser. So the total cost price of all of 40 trousers will be 1200 into 40. So this will be 48,000 rupees. So the cost price of the garment showroom is 48,000 rupees and his selling price, their selling price is 46,800 rupees. Okay, so we can see here cost price is greater than selling price. So in this case the showroom has faced loss. So 46,800 minus 48,000 will be equals to 1200 rupees. And children, this is your answer. Now we have profit or loss percent. And how do we calculate this? Simple. We have the two formulas children. Profit percent equals to total profit upon cost price into 100 and loss percent equals to total loss upon cost price into 100. Okay, so what are we doing here? We are dividing the total profit by cost price and multiplying by 100. So we are converting this profit into percent, and this loss is also into percent by total loss upon cost price into 100. Just remember these two formulas, very important. Okay, now example 3. Find the profit percent if the cost price is rupees 500. Cost price is 500 and actual profit equals to 25 rupees. So children, here the formula for profit percent is this. So 25 upon 500 into 100, this will be 5%. The profit percent is 5%. Okay. Example 4. Find the loss percent if the selling price is 40 and total loss is rupees 10. Again simple. Loss percent. So selling price is 40 rupees. Loss equals to 10 rupees. Find loss percent. So first we need to find the cost price. So his cost price will be, so previously we have discussed this formula, that SP equals to cost price minus loss. So we have selling price 40 rupees, cost price we don't know, minus loss 10 rupees. So cost price equals to children 40 plus 10 equals to 50 rupees. So for the future reference, there is one more formula. Cost price equals to selling price plus loss. Now, you have 50 rupees. So profit loss percent equals to 10 upon 50 into 100. Okay, this will be 20%. The answer will be 20%. Now, find the actual profit and the profit percent if the cost price is 100 rupees and the selling price is 120. Find the actual profit and the profit percent if the cost price is 100 rupees and selling price is 120 rupees. Simple, find profit. That will be SP minus CP. So 120 minus 100 will be equal to 20 rupees. Profit equals to selling price minus cost price, and profit percent equals to 20 upon 100 into 100. So we have 20%. Example 6. Sham sold a book of rupees for rupees 120 at a profit of rupees 40. So his selling price is 120 rupees. Profit 40 rupees. Okay, so cost price will be, children, selling price So we have this formula: profit equals to selling price minus cost price. So cost price will be equal to selling price minus profit. You take this here and bring this here, and you bring this here. So selling price negative will become positive, profit positive will become negative. So cost price equals to 120 minus 40. This will be 80 rupees. So find his profit percent. So profit percent will be total profit 40 upon cost price 80 into 100. So 8 fives are. So 50% is the profit of Sham. The profit percent of Sham is 50%. Now this question is important. To find selling price when cost price and profit or loss percent are given. To find selling price when CP cost price and profit percent is given. Okay. Example 7. Find the selling price if cost price equals to 40 rupees 50 paisa and profit is 15%. Okay. We need to find the selling price. Now, let us suppose we need to find a selling price. Okay. So, if let us suppose cost price be 100 rupees. Okay, we know the cost price is 40.5 rupees, but let us suppose cost price be 100 rupees and his profit is 15%. So his selling price would be 15% of cost price. So it will be 115 rupees. How this came? Okay, I'll show you. 100 into 15 upon 100. 15% of 100 rupees. Okay. So 15 plus 100. So it is 115. Okay. Selling price equals to 115 rupees. If cost price is 1 rupee, then selling price would be 115 upon 100 rupees. 115 upon 100. And if cost price is 40.50 paisa, then it would be selling price would be 115 upon 100 into 40.5. You'll get 46.575 rupees. What we did here, children? Let the cost price be 100, then selling price would be 115. Okay. If cost price is 1, then 115 upon 100. And if cost price is 40.50, so 115 upon 100 into 40.5. Okay. Now, example 8. Find the cost price if the selling price is 18 rupees. Selling price is 18 rupees and loss is 10%. So in this case, cost price we have to find, and selling price and profit or loss percent is given. So same method we will use. Okay, 10% loss means if cost price is 100 rupees, then 10% loss would be 100 upon 10 upon 100 into 100. So 10 rupees. So selling price will be CP minus loss 100 minus 10. So it came out to be 90 rupees. So if the cost price is rupees 100, now if the selling price is 90 rupees, then cost price is 100 rupees. Okay, if selling price is 1 rupees, then CP is 100 upon 90, and if selling price is 18 rupees, then CP is 100 upon 90 into 18. You will solve this, you will get 20 rupees. So children, this example 7 and 8 are important, and they are not very difficult, they are easy, and if you try them, if you do more practice of them, it would be very easy for you to solve them. Now exercise 10a, you have question 1. Aman bought a bike for rupees 50,000 and paid 1,000 as transportation charge. He sold it for 55,000. Find his profit. So cost price would be, total cost price would be 50,000 plus 1,000. This is 51,000. Find his profit, so, or loss, and selling price is 55,000 rupees. We can see selling price is greater than cost price, so profit equals to 55,000 minus 51,000. So it is 4,000 rupees. Okay, so question number 1, question number 2, and question number 3, they are the same way. Let's look at question number 3. A dealer bought 50 quintals of wheat at the rate of rupees 800 per quintal. He paid 400 rupees as octroi and charges and rupees 600 transportation charges. Then he sold the whole stock at rupees 750 per quintal. Okay, find his profit or loss. Okay, so total cost price would be 50 quintals of wheat at the rate of rupees 800. So 50 into 800 plus his export, transportation and octroi charges. So that is 400 plus 600. This will be 40,000 plus 1,000. So this is 41,000. And he sold this for rupees 750 per quintal. Okay. Selling price is 750 into how many quintals we had? 50 quintals. Okay. So 750 into 50 would be 37,500. So profit is not here because selling price is greater than cost price. So loss will be SP minus CP. Okay. So 41 loss will be CP minus SP. 41,000 minus 37,500. And this will be your answer. So 3,500 rupees is the loss that the dealer faced. Now, question 3. Question 4. Find the profit or loss percent. Very simple, children. Profit percent and loss percent. Part 1. Cost price 30. Selling price 42. So profit equals to 42 minus 30. So this will be 12. And profit percent will be equal to profit upon cost price into 100. So this will be 40%. Okay. Let us look at fifth part. Selling price 200 rupees. Loss 40 rupees. So find cost price first. Cost price will be SP minus loss. So 200 plus 40. So it will be 240 rupees. SP plus loss. So 240 rupees. Okay. Now loss percent will be equal to loss 40 upon 240 into 100. Okay. 8 3 is 24, 8 5 is 40. So 50 upon 3% is the total loss in this case. And similarly, you can do all of the parts in question number 4. Now, children, question 5. Find a selling price for each of the following. So here you have cost price 20 rupees and profit equal to 10%. So let cost price be 100 rupees. Okay. Then selling price would be 110 rupees. Okay. So if cost price is 1 rupee, then selling price is 110 upon 100 rupees. If cost price is 20 rupees, then selling price is 110 upon 100 into 20. On solving, so 22% is your answer, children. Let's look at question number 5, part 4. Cost price 40 rupees, profit 20%. Okay, let CP be 100 rupees. Okay, then selling price would be 20% of 40 rupees. So 20 upon 100 into 40, 8 rupees. So this will be 108 rupees. Let cost price be 1 rupee, then selling price would be 108 upon 100. If cost price is 40 rupees, then selling price would be 108 upon 100 into 40. Okay, so on solving, so 108 into 2 upon 5. Here that I have missed, I will do the question again. Let cost price be rupees 100, then selling price would be 20% of 100 rupees. So it will be 120 rupees. Okay, let cost price is rupees 1, then selling price is 120 upon 100, and if cost price is 40 rupees, then selling price would be 120 upon 100 into 40, so 48 rupees. And I think in the previous question I have done the same thing, so make sure you do the correction, children. Sorry for that. Now question 6, same method, but in this case you have to find a CP for each of the following case. Okay, so you have question 6 part 1, selling price equals to 12 rupees and profit percent equals to 20%. Now what do you need to find here? Selling price is 12 rupees and profit equals to 20%. Okay, if cost price is 100 rupees, then profit of 20% will give the selling price as 120 rupees. Okay, so cost price is 100 and the selling price is 120. Okay, so if selling price is 120, then cost price is 100 rupees. So if selling price is 120 rupees, then cost price is 100 upon 120, and if selling price is 12 rupees, then cost price is 100 upon 120 into 12. 12 tens are 12 1 12 0. So 10%. So you get the answer as 10. Your cost price is 10 rupees. Okay, what we have done? Selling price 12 rupees, profit 20%. Okay, so we have taken the cost price as 100 rupees, then selling price becomes 20% of 100, 120. So if selling price is 120, then cost price is 100. Okay, if selling price is 120, then cost price is 100 upon 120. One small correction here, children. Yes, this. If selling price is 120, then cost price is 100 upon 120. Okay. Now, if selling price is 12, then cost price will be 100 upon 120 into 12. So you will get the answer as 10. So the cost price is 10 rupees. Similarly, you have question number 6, part 3. Selling price equals to 18 rupees. Loss 40%. Okay. So let cost price be 100 rupees. Then loss of 40% is 100 into 40 upon 100, so 40 rupees. So his selling price would be 100 minus 40. So 60 rupees is the selling price. So if selling price is 60, then cost price is 100. If selling price is 1 rupees, then cost price is 100 upon 90. If selling price is 60, then cost price is 100 upon 90 into. So the original selling price was 18 rupees. Okay. If selling price is 1 rupees, then cost price is 100 upon 60. Yes, 100 upon 60, not 90. And if selling price is 18 rupees, then cost price is 100 upon 60 into 18. So on solving, 30 rupees was the cost price, is 30 rupees. So the remaining also will be done in the same way. Okay, children. Now we will discuss the rest of the chapter in the next video. Thank you, class. Thank you for being so patient.